Hi guys and welcome to Top Crypto. In this video, we will go through a great platform called Webull. This platform has it all. It has cryptocurrency, it has forex, it has stocks, everything in one place, very easy, very intuitive, and everything in just one click away. So we will go through that in the next few minutes. Everything is linked down below in the description. And also before we start, this is only for educational purposes and do your own due diligence before you start investing, and let's get into it. So here we are on the platform. As you can see, Webull, very clean, very easy to use. And also something rather interesting here with this platform, that it has zero commission and no minimum deposit, so you can start. And as you scroll down, you will see something rather interesting, and I want to draw your attention to that they have also download your tax documents, meaning that they are helping you, making your life way easier with taxes. And also as you scroll down, you will find that they have stocks, they have options, they have ETFs, they have cryptocurrency, everything in one place. But in order for you to start, you will need to sign up. So the sign up is over there. It's quite simple and easy and straightforward. You go there, sign up with your phone number, you put the country you're in, put your phone numbers, they send you a verification code, and then you go through the process. Very easy to use. And also you have already an account with Google or with Facebook. This will make your life even easier, and it's done in a jiffy, and it's quite simple and easy to follow. And once you get in there, you won't start the fun, which is going to the market and seeing what's going on. Once you click on the market over here, you will be introduced to this world of green and red, bull and bears. And don't get intimidated. Even if you're a beginner trader, you will find that everything is easy and self-explanatory in some way or another. You will find them here organizing everything in a very systematic way. Top gainers, top losers, and most active. So you cannot really lose focus on what's going on in the market, and you can spot some good deals on the spot. And you can go all the way down here to see something rather important. On me personally, I find it rather interesting. It's the best performing industries, and when you click more here, it will take you to the best performing assets and industries. The e-commerce, for instance, that you find oil and gas, of course, because of the Ukrainian conflict. You will find that the oil and gas and drilling is kind of going up slightly, and you will find everything is easy and intuitive as it could be. So even if you're a beginner and you don't know what to do, this information adding up to each other, and you will find it very interesting and very useful for you as a trader. Speaking of trader, you can also go to trade over here, and this will take you to the trading platform or the trading page. As you can see, Apple, because it's just an alphabetical order here, you will find Apple here, Apple USD, and you will find also some time frames. If you're an experienced trader, of course you will know what I'm talking about. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 15 minutes. Usually for me personally, I prefer the 14 minutes time frame, so it can give me a sweet spot between a long and short time frame, so it's more reliable for me, at least. That's of course my own personal preference, and it's quite easy to use. Also, once you get here, you will find your order type, whether you want a limit order, market order, whether you want to adjust the take profit or a stop loss if you're trading with leverage or so. And everything is well organized and pretty simple, straightforward, no complications. And I have to say that the interface is quite interesting and very clean and very simple. You will never get lost with this platform. Something also rather important here on this platform is downloadable, meaning that you can actually download this platform on your desktop or on your mobile phone, or you can download it as an app, of course. Once you get to downloads over here on the top, you can get it for Windows or for Mac user. For instance, I'm using a Mac with an M1 chip, so I can just download it here, download the DMG file, unzip it, and then the process is easy. And also the same thing for Windows, just press Windows and you will find it installed in a jiffy. And also here for your mobile phone to maneuver, or you you have an overview of your trades on the go. And something also I would advise you to do whenever you're looking at this platform or you're interested in this platform is, first of all, checking the links down below, and secondly, you will also need to check out their Twitter account. Is quite simple, and it's always updating you with the latest information they provide. As you can see here, they have a pretty big community, and it's over 110,000 followers worldwide. And as you can see, they always update you with what they're doing, what their team working on, what kind of new coins they are adopting on the platform, what kind of stocks are performing well. They give you also some tips and tricks, and they're kind of active in their community. Recently they added ApeCoin. Me personally, I'm quite interested in ApeCoin, so I always follow ApeCoin news, and Webull also listed ApeCoin on their platform, so that's a plus. And as you can see here, in summary, this video was just dedicated to give you an overview of this platform. It's very simple, very easy to use, and also gives you a great advantage for the zero commission and no minimum deposit. So guys, in a summary, this video we talked about the platform of Webull. We talked about everything, how to sign up, how to maneuver your way around trading and buying and selling and setting up your account. Everything is easy and intuitive, and as I told you, it's pretty simple and beginner friendly as well. Everything, as I told you, is in the description down below. And if you found any value in this video, please hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button so it can reach more people, and see you next time. Bye bye.